My name is Roel Heremans. I'm a transdisciplinary artist working with new technologies, composed introspection and biodata. My last installation, the Neuroride Arcades, I was researching how brain-computer interfaces, neurowearables, will take over the world and why we need an ethical framework surrounding this new technology. That's why it somehow triggered to apply for this fourth open call for starts in the city called The Value of Care, because it would mean that I could use bio and personalized data in a new and human-centric way. Also to work together with partners like IMAC or VEB, Flemish Institute for Biotechnology, really triggered me to apply. And so the goal is to make an interactive data sculpture on the ceiling at the entrance hall of the Jules Bourdin Cancer Hospital, to make an interactive data sculpture that is somehow a token of hope, so that people can look up in awe, hopefully, but also to start a conversation about what it means to use data in this context.